To embed your Google Calendar, you need to first navigate to the calendar settings. Start by opening Google Calendar and accessing the Settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing to access the calendar configuration options where you'll find the embed code. In the calendar settings, scroll down to find the Integrate Calendar section. This is where Google provides the HTML embed code that you can copy and paste into your website. The embed code is a standard HTML iframe element. Here's what the basic structure looks like. You'll copy this entire code block and paste it into your website's HTML. You can customize the calendar's size by adjusting the width and height attributes in the iframe tag. For example, width equals 800 and height equals 600 sets the calendar dimensions in pixels. You can also change the calendar view using the mode parameter in the URL. Use &mode equals month for monthly view, &mode equals week for weekly view, and &mode equals agenda for a list view. Once you have your embed code with the desired customizations, simply copy it and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the calendar to appear. The calendar will display with your chosen settings. Advanced customization starts with color control. You can customize your embedded calendar's appearance using specific URL parameters for background and text colors. You can control which calendar elements are visible using show and hide parameters. These give you precise control over the calendar's interface. For mobile-friendly embedding, proper CSS is essential. The max width property ensures your calendar adapts to different screen sizes, while height auto-maintains proper proportions. Understanding responsive design is crucial. Unlike adaptive design that creates separate layouts, responsive design uses one flexible layout that adapts to all screen sizes. Security is paramount in 2025. All embedded calendars must be served over HTTPS. This ensures encrypted communication and prevents security warnings in modern browsers. Finally, always test your embedded calendar across different devices and screen sizes. This ensures optimal user experience, regardless of how visitors access your calendar. These advanced customization techniques and best practices ensure your Google Calendar embed is professional, secure, and user-friendly across all devices and platforms.